I know you have been seeing videos like this all over the internet about Temu giving free items to their customers. And you're wondering if this is true or not. All of that I am going to tell you in this video. After my second purchase from Temu, I got a message that I've received free items from them. Okay, that I should come to the app to confirm it. Just as soon. So I click here to open the app. Here you see you win 100% off. Okay, it's exclusive. So here I went on to pick the two items which they gave for free. Tried to check out. They said no, they have an extra one which I have to spin to get it. I spinned, and as you can see, show that I got coupon of 100% back, which is 65,000 naira. Now, what that means is that they want me to buy items worth 65,000 naira to be able to check out those two items that I picked for free. Do you now see? Okay, this is one condition. Like I said, there are free items, the 100% coupons, and all of that comes with terms and conditions. Even those who tell you to use their promo code to get items free, it is not free. When you get to the app using that code, you see that it comes with the terms and conditions of its own. Now, after my first purchase from Temu, I got a message that I have received 350,000 naira coupon from them. That I should go to the app to check out the hidden items they have kept there for me. So I logged into the app, searched for it, and I found this 50,000 naira coupon. Now, added to that 350 coupon they gave me, that's 400, right? Now, it was now time for the main deal, which is picking items and checking out. On trying to click on the first item, a message popped up showing me that it has been spread out, okay? So for me to get 100,000 naira coupon from that 400,000 naira, I am to buy an item worth 400,000 naira. Are you seeing? So for me to use the 100,000 naira coupon from the 400,000 naira coupon, I had to pay, like buy an item worth 400,000 naira. Meaning I'm supposed to pay them 400,000 naira, then I'm getting 100,000 naira from them as coupon. Then add it to that, that is buying an item of 500,000 naira. You now see the terms and conditions it's coming with. This is one of it. They spread it, the 400,000 naira was spread for 5 purchases, meaning they expect me to come and buy something from them for 5 times. For each of the time, I am getting a certain percentage of that coupon to buy something. Do you not get? So even in free time, nothing is entirely free. Okay. The take home from this video is that Temu does not give 100% coupon without you buying something, and their coupons are being spread out. Okay. And when you get a message that they have a free gift for you, what that means is that you're going to buy an item worth a stipulated amount again, and that Temu does not give any free gifts. Okay. If you see anything free gifts, just know that there's a stipulated amount of item you also have to buy to be able to win that gift. It's not left for you to check if it is worth it. Okay. And many a times when you see those messages of 2 free gifts, 3 free gifts, you see that items in those apps at that time are often exorbitant. Yeah, that is it about that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.